In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a nested label in Gmail. If your inbox feels crowded and you want a clean, organized way to group related emails, nested labels are a simple, powerful tool. Think of labels like folders and nested labels as subfolders that sit neatly under a main category. For example, you might keep all promotional messages under a parent label and then create a nested label specifically for a service like Slack to keep things tidy. Start by logging into your Gmail account in your browser. Once you're in, look toward the left-hand sidebar where your inbox, starred messages, and existing labels appear. This is where Gmail lists labels and where we'll add a new one. If the left panel looks condensed, hover your mouse or expand it so you can see more of the label list. You're looking for the option to add a new label, which shows up as a plus icon for creating a label. Click the plus icon to open the Create New Label window. In the name field, type the name of your nested label. For this example, you could enter Slack promos, but feel free to name it in a way that matches your workflow. Short, descriptive names make it easier to scan your sidebar later. Next, check the option that says Nest Label Under. This tells Gmail that this new label should live inside another label rather than at the top level. When you tick that box, you'll see a selector that lets you choose the parent label. Browse the list and pick the label you want to nest under. If you already have a label like promos or work, choose the most relevant one so your new label is grouped exactly where you want it. Once the name is set and the parent label is selected, click Create. That's it, you're done. You should now see your new label appear indented under the parent label in the sidebar. If the parent label is collapsed, expand it to reveal the nested label underneath. From here on, anytime you apply that nested label to an email, it will file neatly under the main category, making it faster to find later. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your label names consistent, use nesting sparingly to avoid overcomplication, and review your label structure occasionally to keep it relevant. With this simple setup, your Gmail stays cleaner, and you spend less time hunting for messages.